Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Levi Topisia. I'm a doctor by profession. If your menses are coming late or inconsistent, you might be not broken. It might be stress. A normal menstruation cycle occurs between 21 to 35 days. Scientifically, when an ovum is released, when the shedding of the uterine wall and some ovum retained components are removed with the shedding of the uterine wall, it takes another 14 days for an ovum to be made and another 14 days for the ovum to be removed. So a complete menstrual cycle takes about 28 days. But due to other factors, environmental factors, it usually takes between 1 to 28 days, but it can usually come earlier so it can be between 21 to 35 days. Why stress can cause irregular menses? When you have chronic stress or stress of any sort, your body produces cortisol. When cortisol is produced, the body prioritizes in healing and consider ovulation, fertility, or pregnancy as a secondary thing. So when you have chronic stress, the body tries to heal. The body tries to recover from the stress, recover from the problem that is in your body. So when the body is trying to recover, it doesn't prioritize ovulation, it doesn't prioritize menstruation, it doesn't prioritize pregnancy. So that is why stress can really lead to irregular menstruation. Why most women ignore stress? Most women tends to ignore stress as a cause of menstruation cycle. One, because they really tend to focus with pregnancy. Why did I not get the menstruation cycle? I might be normal. It can be my hormones. Can I be pregnant? Did I become pregnant without knowing? So a woman will focus more on the pregnancy factor, forgetting about stress. Also, women will tend to focus on hormones. It is my hormones are imbalancing. But the factor you forgot is what is causing my hormone to imbalance. It could be stress. So stress is a really key factor in your irregular menses. You might not be sick, you might not be broken, but it is your stress. It is the stress that is causing regular menses. What are the common stresses that cause irregular menses? You are emotional stress. You are heartbroken. You lack finances. You are not in good terms in your workplace. So these are the emotional stress that can cause you to have irregular menses. You have also physical stress. You are overworking. You are over-exercising. You have a torture in your body. You have an external factor or an external intriguer factor that is causing you to be stressed. And this one can cause your irregular menses. We have also nutritional stress. You are not having consistent diet. You are not having good food that's rich in iron and many other supplements. You are skipping meals. So this one can bring stress in our body, leading to irregular menses. We have also other other distress involving your psychological distress. You are overthinking, you have a lot of tasks in your mind. So this one can really affect how your body works and how your body reacts, because now the body will focus first on what is important. Because things with sexual things like ovulation, things like pregnancy, that is a secondary factor. That's something that is not really that important to the body, though it is important, but the body will focus on diseases, focus on stress. That's why the body is producing cortisol hormone. It's trying to recover from the distress, trying to work against it, it's a compensatory mechanism. Your body is trying to fight against and to bring you to a homeostasis, to a normal state. So that is why the body prioritizes healing before things like ovulation or things like menstruation and so forth. Now, how can you help yourself out from this menstruation or stress caused menstruation? The first thing, you should allow yourself to heal. Can you identify the trigger? Can you identify the cause of your stress? Which stress is causing me to have menstruation cycle? Is it emotional stress? Are you heartbroken? Is it physical stress? What is torturing you? Are you over exercising? Is it psychological stress? What is wrong with my mind? Am I in a good state of mind? Am I overthinking? Am I thinking of my workplace? Is it nutritional stress? Are you not eating well? Are you skipping some diets? Are you not taking a balanced diet? So these are the factors you consider. So before thinking of any other secondary or any other complex thing that is causing your irregular menses, you should consider your state of mind, your state of distress. Are you okay? And if you rule out this one, now once you identify the trigger, can you try and find out ways you normalize? Can you try and look for somebody or look for a way to solve out this problem and make yourself in a comfortable state of mind? And once you are in a comfortable state of mind, your menses will automatically go in place. When will you start to worry? When will you start to think otherwise? When your menses, you have not get your menses for about 6 months, you should become worried, because this could be an underlying factor. When you are experiencing other factors, maybe your body is experiencing other pathological factors in your body. These are the factors that we may think are the causes of your menstruation cycle irregularities. Before you even think about anything, are you in a good state of mind? Are you in a good state of mind? If yes, then it might be any other factor. If no, can you check on your emotional distress? Can you check on your psychology? Can you check on your nutrition? Once you care on the basics and all these things, it can help you recover from your irregular menses. Your body will fight for itself. So when you have an external factor fighting against your body, the body will fight against that factor. So you should consider, you should know about that. That is the nature of the body. And once the body is focusing on fighting on that one thing, it will stop fighting. It will stop any other thing and fight on the main secondary thing. And that's why you have things like pregnancy, things like menstruation being delayed. So stress can be a very big factor contributing to irregular menses. If you get any important information from this video, please kindly remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Comment what you want me to talk about next. Also, don't forget to click on the notification icon so that when I upload anything, you will not be left behind. Thank you, and may God bless you, and see you in the next video.